Yo, welcome back to the channel, YaRdViBe. Merry Christmas to you all. Hope you guys having a great time. So watch this. Today I'm gonna show you guys to make rice and peas. This is what you guys have always been asking me about. So I'm gonna get right into it and show you guys how to make rice and peas. You can make it for your New Year's dinner. Alright, so you want to put some red kidney beans in a pot. I'm using a pressure cooker, that's my style. I recommend you try it because it makes your rice and peas better. So anyways, pour some water on there. You want to put enough water in there, just to cover it, because after this you're gonna add more water again. All right, so you pour water in there. You're gonna put some garlic cloves in there. For this portion, like I would say 7 cloves would be good. Yeah, so throw some garlic cloves in there. It's gonna add flavor to the beans as they cook. Nice flavor, you get me? Yeah. Alright, so garlic cloves, smash those cloves, Alright, it's taking mad long still. Alright, so watch this. I'm gonna put some allspice berries. These are pimento beans. Yeah, so we're gonna smash some of those and put in there as well. We're just searching for that flavor. The more flavor the beans have, the better. All right, so this is how it should look. Garlic cloves, allspice berries, pimento beans, I should say, and red kidney beans. All right, so you want to soak this overnight, like 24 hours. Soak that up. It can take less time to soak, and because what you want the beans to swell, you want them to cook faster. So that's why you soak them, Alright, so the day 2 of the operation, beans are soaked. They have grown in size. They're gonna cook much faster now. So we wanna I cook it on medium heat because I think the beans cook better that way. They come out softer, I guess. Unless you're gonna pressure them. But I don't like to pressure my beans. I like to cook them nice and slow. Keep them relaxed. You get me? So there we go. Put it on low heat in a pressure cooker. No weight. Alright. So here we go. The beans are cooked. They look soft. I'm just gonna test them now. Alright, squeeze one, pop it. There we go. It's quite soft. Very soft. And that's what you need. You want it to be very soft. You want it to be creamy. Yeah, that's gonna make your rice and peas quite creamy and fluffy and nice. You get me? Alright. So time now to season up my rice and peas. First, I'll put a cinnamon stick in there. I like cinnamon stick in there. It gives a really nice flavor. That's my secret. Ginger. You're gonna put some thyme leaves in there. Sick. Scotch bonnet. This is a banger. Some chopped onion. No. Some chopped spring onions or green onions, whatever you call it. Alright. I'm gonna put some soy sauce in there. I'll tell you after why I put soy sauce in there. Some dark soy sauce. You get me? Some coconut oil. Mad flavors coming out right now. So you can't cook rice and peas without coconut milk. It's essential. It gives that flavor. You get me? So you want to put some coconut milk in there. Around 5 tablespoons, I think. Yeah. So coconut milk. Yeah. And this is why, now I'm going to tell you why I put soy sauce in there. So we want the color to be balanced, nice brown, beautiful color. So what happens when you put coconut milk in there, it gets really white, I don't like my rice and peas to look really white. So I put soy sauce in there to balance the color. You get me? Boom. Now you guys know. Alright, you're gonna put salt, salt to taste. You guys have to test your levels, how much salt you want it. Yeah, so we're gonna wash our rice. I like to wash my rice in a strainer. If you wash your rice, guys, wash out that rice, get rid of the excess starches. You get me? So you're gonna run this under cold water, not hot water. All right, that's mad. You don't do that. So cold water until the water is clear. Yeah. All right. So wash your rice, guys. Cold water until the water is clear. Get rid of the excess starch. You get me? Yeah. Yeah, man. Sick. Watch this now. So I'm gonna test my liquid. It's very nice. All right, so it's ready to receive this rice. Now you have to know the amount of rice you're putting inside the amount of liquid. You don't want to put too much rice in a shallow liquid, then your rice is gonna be undercooked. So you have to make sure that I'll show you guys how I measure my liquid anyways. So there we go. I put enough rice in there. Well, I hope it's enough. Let me test this. So how I test it, I dip my finger in there, my index finger, and the liquid should be just above that first line in your finger, or let's say just above 1 inch, and that's how you know your water level is correct. All right, so watch this now. I'm gonna cover it up, cook it on medium heat. Yeah, and I'm telling you, I use a pressure cooker for this. All right, so it's almost ready. I'm just checking now. There's just a little bit of water in there left. The rice, I can tell it's gonna be perfect because the grains are already cooked, but they're not overcooked. Just a little longer and they're gonna be amazing. So let me just stir that up for a bit, mix up the beans with it, and I'm gonna cover it up. And now this is when I will put the weight on, and I will reduce the heat to low and let it steam. All right, so after 15 minutes of steaming, all the water have been evaporated, and the beans the rice grains are properly cooked through. Now I'm gonna test it, and I can tell already that it's perfect. Like I don't know, this is magical still. But anyways, I'm gonna stir that up, get the beans and the rice portions thoroughly mixed and mastered. You get me? Mad. All right, this is really nice, but watch this. I'm gonna show you guys how beautiful this is. See, the rice grains, they're properly cooked. Yeah, and it's not soft. They call it shelly rice. Yeah, man, you want the rice to be shelly, nice and shelly. That's why I cook it in a pressure cooker, because when I cook in a pressure cooker, the rice, they're cooked, but they're not too soft. You get me? And they come out really shelly and nice. So this is what it looks like, guys. Your rice and peas should look like this. Nice and flavorful, well spiced. Amazing. Now this is it, guys. Rice and peas, nice, done, ready. You can have it just like this. You get me? Or you can have it with your Jamaican favorite, jerk chicken. You can have it with your stewed chicken, your curry chicken. You can have it with your anything you want to have it. If you're Indian, you can have it like a biryani, maybe, I don't know. Anything, man. This is like one of the best rice you can ever have. Alright, so that's the end of the tutorial, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Now that's rice and peas the real authentic Jamaican way. You guys enjoy making this for yourselves. Alright, so happy new year, guys, when it comes, and bless you. Alright, take care.